We could walk this autumn town, find a place to be alone, look into your eyes, feeling butterflies. We could dance under the stars, fall into each other's arms. Nowhere else we need to be, just you and me. We can't lose this love, so hold on to what we know we have. Hold on to moments that we've shared. Hold on if all we have is just each other. Everything will be fine. Just hold on. Then the night turned into day.
Ayan, nandito na po ang aking botones, ang ating button, silver button. Nais ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat po ng Kites family, friends, YouTube friends, new friends, and friendsters, and of course Monchers. Thank you again to all of support to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. At nakuha na natin yung 100,000 subscribers ang ating botones or bulotong or button, silver button. Thank you again, guys, sa supportan nyo, lalo na po sa mga Kites family natin dyan. To Monchers friends, thank you again, guys. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo ay hindi ko rin makukuha to, yung hindi rin tayo nakarating sa 100 subscribers. Ayun mga Kites, may pa-burgers tayo ha. Huwag kayong mag-alala, guys. Ayan, ganyan tayo lagi. At maraming salamat sa lahat. Thank you all. God bless.